Hello everybody, hopefully you guys get to see this. And right now I'm in the street in my city, and so you guys can see that it's windy. It's not a lie, look, it's windy. So you guys can see today is a windy day here in my city, so hopefully you guys get to see that. And I'll just open my door in a bit because that's where the car, I'm in the truck or in my car, and you guys can see that it's windy. See, look all that trash around. Just so you guys can see, it's windy today, and that's how it is. See, very windy, if you guys cannot tell yet. So let's see if you guys can hear the noise when I open the door. Okay, so you guys got to see that a little bit. I'm just trying to record because I'm not sure how it is recording here. So there is that. Hopefully you guys get to see that it's windy, and I don't know what time this video is going up. So whenever this video goes up, I just don't want to record the people that are walking by. So there it is, windy. So there it is. Windy day in my city. I just don't want to record the people's faces because I don't want it to be I don't want to record people's faces. It's just my thing. So it's windy. Let's see if I can get... Okay, so let me try to zoom in. See, there it's windy. Today is very windy in my city. So that's how it is. Very windy, a lot of trash all over the place. So that's what I'm saying. Today's a windy day here in the city of Montebello, California. For you guys that don't know what city I live in. So it's windy. And if you like this video, good for you. And if you don't, then I'll try to make this better some other time. So hopefully you guys get to see that it's windy. There it is, windy. And see if I can take a better view. Let's see if I can get a better view. See, windy. I'm at the supermarket. Hopefully I'm zooming in good enough. There it is, windy. Just gonna record for like 5 minutes or so. See, very windy. And as you guys can see here again, windy again. Very windy. So this is today, Monday, Martin Luther King Day, that I'm recording this. Don't know what time this will go up, but when it goes up, there it is. Very windy. Just so you guys have a better understanding of how windy it is, you'll hear it again. You'll hear the wind. So you guys got to hear that, and that's just my short video of how windy it is outside. So thank you guys for watching, and I guess I'll catch you guys on the next one.